Probably a penny here, huh? 20, 21. We'll dig it. A lot of this old mulch is in here. It's hard to identify. Yep. There's a penny. 20. Solid 20. We'll dig it. So it's pretty, there it is. It's not too corroded, but that's probably why the signal was a solid one. It's a penny. Looks like some silver anyways. Quarter usually what pops up, but we'll see what we got here. Yep. Nice quarter. Right on the surface. Just the way I like to find a 13 here. Probably a pull tab, but that's where those nickels are at. There it is. Well, we'll see if there's anything else around it. Oh, wow. Oh, it's a little, looks like a little knife set. Yeah, got a pair of pliers. Yeah, it was a pretty good find right there. I'll clean it up so I can pull it apart, but I can see the pliers in there and the blades. Yeah, a little like a camper's knife set. Nice find. Well, we're still going here, folks. Oh, there it is. Can't go without that. Beer bottle cap. Well, I dug an 18 here just because I was getting bored. Not too much going on here. And anyways, it was a solid 18, nothing around it or anything. It looks like it's an old penny, or maybe even a crusty old dime. Can't really tell, it's pretty corroded. So, sometimes you gotta do that. I got a solid 18 here again. 19 right in there. Oh, there it is. This little piece of aluminum crushed up cap. Well, let's see what we got here. Hard to say what that is, but I'm gonna dig it for sure. Probably a penny. There it is. Nice little shiny penny. Well, this is right next to where I just dug and got that penny. I mean, that's got to be a dime there for sure. But yeah, I'll be damned. There we go. Yep. Nice little shiny dime. Well, I started to get it and walk away, and that's right next to where I found that dime. It's got to be a quarter there. Well, we'll see. There it is. Have a darn. Another nice quarter. I better keep looking around here. Huh. There's another signal right here. Yeah. Get a penny. Boy, someone dropped the change here. This is all pretty fresh stuff here. Well, keep looking around here. It's getting crazy. Got us another penny here, and I haven't left this small little area right here. Something with it though. Maybe it's a penny I'm looking for. Yep, right there. Oh, better than that. Got a dime out of that. And I'm in about a 10-foot square area here. Got some good numbers here. Dime maybe. Well, we'll dig it. Shadows. There it is. It's a penny. Well, we didn't have too bad of a hunt this morning. You know, plan on keeping it real short, but found some interesting little spots here. I picked up some quarters and dimes, so I'll show you what we ended up with here. I think I've been out here a couple hours. I'll start with the trash. These pull tabs, a couple of them I just picked up off the ground and dug those. Let's see, I think I found that one laying on the ground too. Anyways, here's my haul here. It's a nice little utility tool here. I haven't figured out how to get the jaws open for the pliers, but there's a couple of quarters, 2 dimes, and the rest all pennies. And I found 1 quarter, 1 dime, and I think a penny here, all within about a 3-foot radius. So someone lost some money there. Anyways, I don't know if they lost it, but okay, well, that's a wrap out here today. Till next time, we'll keep looking for those 12s and 13 nickels. Thanks for watching. Well, you never know what you're going to find looking for coins.